These scenes are generated with free AI using just one prompt, enhanced by Nano Banana. Yes, you heard that right. With the tool I'll share today, you can create animated AI videos for free. And here's the best part. The creators of this tool and I have arranged a special deal to give away 5 free pro accounts in this video. Stick around and I'll show you how you can win one. Hello friends! Today I'll walk you through how to create cinematic AI videos with Videoinu and show you how to control every pixel. Let's get started. If you enjoy this type of content, like the video and subscribe to the channel. This helps YouTube recommend similar content to you in the future. When you go to this page using the link I left below, you can click Login and sign in with any email account you have. Right after logging in, as you can see, 500 free credits are instantly added. With these free credits, you can try out the tool and generate AI videos. I want to add that the interface is very simple and user-friendly, not complicated like other tools. Everything you need to do is very clear. At the top, there are 2 main options. One for creating a video, and another for creating a character. Later in the video, you'll see that all the steps are very easy to use too. On the home page, you can also view sample videos. I'll show you a few examples. As you can see, the characters are very original, and characters flow between scenes with perfect character consistency. This is very important because many tools can't do this well, but Videoinu has managed it very successfully, as you'll also see in our example. In addition to animations, you can also create real cinematic videos like this. Look at this animation. It really feels like something straight out of Disney. I suggest you explore these examples yourself to get inspired for your own creations. Okay, let's get started to create our video. Whenever you're ready to start, you just click on Video Generator and you'll see a screen like this. If you only have an idea in mind, you can use the Smart Script section, type in your idea, and it will automatically create a script for you. But if you already have a script, you can simply select the basic option and paste it in, just like I've done here. On the left side, you choose the aspect ratio. I'm selecting widescreen since that's what I want. Then, from the language options, you can pick any language you like. After that, you'll see many ready-made styles on the left. You just choose the one you want. I'm continuing with the 3D cartoon style. At the bottom, as you can see, you set the length of the video. It's very simple. You can go up to 30 minutes if you want. For this example, I'm selecting a 1-minute video. Once everything is ready, all you need to do is click Next. In just a few seconds, it creates our storyboard like this. As you can see, there are different scenes and different shots inside each scene, and you can edit them however you like. The user interface is very nice. At the top right, you can quickly check the video length and the number of scenes. After reviewing that, we move forward by clicking Next. Now it has read our story and generated the characters. Here, you see the AutoCast button. By pressing it, you can automatically create characters. As you can see, it generated our characters here. You can press AutoCast as many times as you like to create new ones. For example, I created one more. And yes, I like these characters better. You can also create characters manually. For example, I want the character on the far left to be more energetic, so I click the character button here. This opens the character creation panel. I click Create and enter a detailed prompt. Providing a detailed prompt here is important. You can also modify this prompt to create your own unique character. I'll leave the prompt in the description. After giving the character a name, gender, and age, we generate it. As you can see, it created a more colorful and lively character, just as I wanted. If you don't like a character, you can easily change it. For example, I want to give mine green eyes, so I update the prompt with this change. And the character is generated instantly. Once I'm happy with the character, I click Apply and then Confirm to add it to my story. After we are okay with our characters, we press Next to create the visual storyboard. Our visual storyboard is prepared in a very short time. On the left, I check each scene one by one to see if everything looks right. If you want to make a quick change, just hover over the scene and the related prompt opens on the right, where you can edit it. For example, I want to turn this serious-looking face into a smiling one, so I make the change, and then regenerate the scene. The serious face is now replaced with a smile. You can also add or remove characters from scenes however you like. For example, I don't want the same character to appear in 2 back-to-back scenes, so I'll remove one. I select the scene, go to the character section, click on the character I don't want, and regenerate. The tool not only removes the character but also repositions and optimizes the size of the remaining one, so the scene still looks balanced. Another feature is using Nano Banana to edit scenes, a very popular tool that Videoinu has integrated. Usually, if one tiny detail in an AI video generation looks wrong, you'd have to regenerate the whole thing again and again. With Nano Banana, you can fix specific parts using simple prompts. For example, let's say I want to enhance a scene. This time I click the brush icon here, and the Nano Banana interface opens. It's very clean and simple. For example, I'll add fireworks in the background to make the scene more dynamic. As you can see, it blends in beautifully. Not too much, not overwhelming the main character, but just enough to make the scene look lively. With this, you can fine-tune your scenes pixel by pixel, however you like. Now we're going to animate the scenes we've prepared. For this, I select a scene and click the Animate button. As you can see, there are 2 options. You can animate each scene one by one, or you can choose Animate All to animate everything at once. The tool supports many different integrations like C-Dance and Cling, and you can use all of them. You can animate scenes manually or automatically. I'll show you both. First, I'll show manual animation. When you click Manual, a prompt screen opens, and it automatically places a prompt there. You can change this prompt as you like. For example, I edit it this way, and the scene animates according to what I wrote. As you can see, it kept the characters intact while applying the animation. Now let's look at automatic animation. In this case, it animates based on the script we provided earlier. If you skip manual and click directly, it automatically animates the scene. For example, here the character should reach to the robot bird, and as you can see, it's animated very well. I think the automatic animation works well. That's why now I'll just click Animate All to automatically animate all the scenes at once. All our scenes are animated now. I am quickly checking them. The last step before creating the final video is the edit screen, where we make the last touch. Here we set the video cover, subtitles, and music. As you can see, you can easily pick any scene and create a cover with the different text style options. In the same way, you can add subtitles with just one click. In the music section, there are many tracks to choose from, and all of them are licensed for use in your video, so no need to worry. You simply select the one you like, add it, and adjust the volume. Lastly, you choose your aspect ratio and video quality, and that's it. Now I'll leave you with the video we created. Sit back and enjoy. Once it's over, I'll walk you through how you can enter our giveaway to win a free pro account.
The clockmaker and the dancer. In a town of ticking clocks and ringing bells, Ilara sought silence. Solène spins, ribbons stirring the dust. The town's gears slipped out of rhythm. A small figure darts across tiles. Alara reaches Cogbit, lifts away. Lanterns glow as music rises. Cogbit perches, the crowd cheers. Sparks of light scatter as she twirls. High among turning gears, calm returns. A hug, ribbons brush a black coat. Even careful clocks need music.
Okay, friends, that's everything on this tool. Now let's get to the giveaway. Here's how to enter. First, sign up on the platform with the link in the description. Then, leave a comment sharing what you like about Videoinu and what you would change. That's all it takes to enter. And I'll personally reply to your comment to confirm your entry. In 2 weeks from when this video goes live, I'll reveal the winners. I'll post a pinned comment announcing the winners, and also reply directly to each winner. 5 of you will win a free pro account. Best of luck to everyone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.